pull my bag off to the side. I do have my razor holder in there, but it does not have a blade, so I'm guessing that's the only thing that's why they confiscated my bag right now. So they're definitely not moving. I'm just waiting. If you're gonna pull my bag to the side, bring it over here. Let's go through it so I can get on my plane. We got 15 minutes for the plane leave before we start boarding. So it's a fast process though. So I'll be patient. We are in, where we at? Commerce, California, right outside of Los Angeles. And we're here for the Johnny V video shoot that we're doing. Me and my guy Joe, he's recording right now. We had the video shoot earlier. It was a success. We will be doing a photo shoot tomorrow with Johnny V as well. And we're gonna get that, as much of it that we can get recorded. And right now we just about to go kick it. My sister is in town as well, so we meeting up, go walk around, go shopping or whatever. Photoshoot, and the model over there got his hair right, and now he's getting a picture. Boy, ain't got nothing but some scissors, man. I ain't doing nothing wrong, but it is what it is. My safety, everybody else's safety, I understand it. I obey the rules. I drink a Sprite, you know what I'm saying? Obey your first. Look where we want to be, bro. It's just ugly over here.
That's an ugly piece of pizza, bro.
This is how you eat during the pandemic.
May I have your attention, please? All travelers, if any unknown
like that.
person attempts to give you any
Or
item,
if you do want to touch your food,
transport on your flight,
you gotta grab it like this, and you eat everything but that area. So you can eat, lawfully you can eat up to about that much, according to the law. Everything else you can't touch. Trash. $20 worth of pizza right here. I got out of line twice trying to make up my mind whether I was gonna get this pizza. Ultimately, you can see $20 later I got the pizza. And it's actually pretty good. It's pretty good. I don't know about $20 good, but it was pretty good.